received a few questions on how the free kit works on Hump Day Wednesday at dekdesigns. So if you go to dekdesigns.com, I'm going to show you using my iPad. So if you're on a phone or a computer, it might be a little different. But please notice right here, I don't want to touch this, but I'll use it to point. Your current processing time is 3 to 4 weeks, and that's on new releases, new kits, new releases. So that's an important point I want to share in just a quick moment. But if you are on the home page, or when you just open up, it says Happy Day Hump Mail. This icon is not always here. It only appears on Happy Day Hump Mail Wednesdays at 9 a.m. Central Time. So if you click on it, it gives you the available kit, which this week is called Lovely, and it is so lovely. It's gorgeous. So if you click here, it says sale, and you add it to your cart. And it will charge you 1 cent. It has to have something to go into the cart, but it says it's a 6-sheet rose gold foil, free today with a $22 minimum purchase before shipping, and also after discounts. So if you, and I order vertical short. That's the one I found that I like for my Wonderland 222 pages. Let me show you real quick one of the vertical short. This is how the vertical short fits in the Wonderland 222. So I order vertical short, and you pick your skin tone. If it's dark or light, you have a choice. So you add it to your cart, but you can't check out yet because you can't buy it for 1 cent until you have additional $22 a minimum purchase. So you will go back to, you'll go back to the home page, and you can shop for any other category. There are kits in Plan to be Fab, Plan to be Fit, Plan to be Fun, Hobonichi Cousin, Weeks, and Journal Sheets. Some mini kits that are just 2 pages with full boxes, and I believe washi strips. I'll click on that in a minute. Color Club is what I really want you to see right now, because that's what I've been ordering a lot of. I'm using to redate an old planner. So let me show you a little bit about Color Club. And it is, let's see, let's go with the Lovebirds. So your sheets are from $1.25. Apologies if you can hear that noise. I'm sitting right in front on my table, right in front of an open window. I do live out in the country. I love to live out in the country. I do live out in the country, which there's not too much traffic, but occasionally we have the drive-bys. So if you want full boxes, it's highlighted here, and this is what your full boxes look like. If you scroll to the bottom, you can scroll through each page. So this is your half boxes, quarter boxes. You can keep scrolling. Half boxes, quarter boxes, let's see. Keep scrolling. You have your heart checklists, your glitter headers. So you get to buy by each sheet what you would like. And when I buy from Color Club, I usually buy this. This is the icons. And then I usually buy my date covers. Here, I buy the date covers, and it's 4 weeks. So you get 4 weeks of different colors, Monday through Sunday, and they go 1 to 31. So that's a full month of date covers and icons. And this says it's $2.50. So you can add that to your cart. I'm gonna add the date covers to my cart. I'm gonna add the icons to my cart because that's what I want. And then I also order the washi sheets just because I can. Where are my washi sheets? Oh, right here. Okay, and it's coordinating washi sheets that match the rest of the kit. You can also get the layering boxes, different shapes. Anyway, so I just want to show you Color Club because I use that a lot. I have found it to be a very affordable way to get a variety of kits, and the kits, 6 and 7 page kits, there's a lot of material in there, and sometimes I just want a few sheets in a various design. So you can see you have several choices on Color Club. So real quick, here's a up close example of the Color Club, and this color is Grateful. So you get 4 weeks of the day headers and a month 1 to 31 of the date headers. And I ordered, like I said, I ordered the date covers, and then I ordered the icon sheets, which it has some lacy scalloped headers, lots of gorgeous icons, some day off banners, more icons, and there we go. Those are my favorite items to purchase from Color Club. So again, this is Grateful, and here's the color selections or the color theme. And I have some more of these coming in. I've already ordered. I'm still waiting on the order in the color Peachy because I've just found that's my favorite. It's going to coordinate with this planner here, which, you know, can use anytime. But again, and the font script is different on each week, so that gives it a little variety. Wonderful, wonderful. And then I've, of course, I've been using some of the icons already on these sheets, the icon sheets, and then this is an example of the washi strips. So there's 2 washi strips in 4 different designs in the coordination for the Peachy Color Club. Anyway, just want to give you more detailed example here of what's going on with Color Club. And real quick, let's go to ready to ship kits. If you order ready to ship kits with no new releases, these ship out usually within a week, and you receive them quickly. I receive my ready to ship kits or orders very quickly, but if you add a ready to ship item to the new release, they will be combined with your original order, and it will be the 3 to 4 week shipping. And then it also, Dawn notes that right here. If you read the blue and the red, they're processed immediately. But if you order with other items that are not ready to ship, the order will be processed within the normal processing time. So please be aware of that. And I have already acquired all of these because they're gorgeous. So, real quick, actually, let me add that mini kit to my cart. I need to be adding some more stuff to my cart so I can show you what to do in your cart. Let's go add it to the cart, and where are we now? Okay, I have 5 items in my cart, and I'm only at $15. So I'm going to look in Hobonichi Cousin and Weeks. Again, we have some gorgeous, gorgeous seasonal, and our new releases that were new releases before the 2022 color of the year are now in the Girl Boss 6.0 from last Sunday. Cherry Cola, these were new releases last Sunday. Adore. They will move to the regularly priced kits, so you can purchase them. So I'm just going to look at Cloud 9, and this is the Hobonichi Cousin. When you look at the Hobonichi Cousin, here I'm going to scroll through and show you the gorgeousness. You get some full boxes and some check boxes. You get your weekend banner, some glitter headers, $7.50. Again, you get to choose the skin tone, and if you would like your foil color or none at all. If you choose no foil color, your cost is $6. If you choose foil, it is $7.50 for your Hobonichi Cousin kit. And let's look again at the Hobonichi. Let's look at this gorgeousness right here in Cherry Cola. Let's look at the weeks. So on Hobonichi Weeks, I want to see the pages. See the day of the week headers are vertical, and this is all one strip. And then all these other little washi strips, top and bottom strips with gorgeous, gorgeous deco. some day off banners, your daily trackers for the week, weekend banner, and it's just gorgeous. So I encourage you to explore the website a bit. Enjoy some of this. Find something you like. Let me add something to my cart. Look at me. I said I needed to. So I'm going to go back to Girl Boss, and I'm going to order a Hobonichi Cousin in gold. Yes. $7.50. Let's see what that does to my cart. Okay, my cart is now at $22.51, but in the notes to seller, if you will type Marcy 15 in the box, that will qualify you to get a free foiled sampler in your order. And then again, so you can see your total is $19.14, and that is because you've put your discount code Marcy15 and it brought your total lower. So we're going to go back to shopping and add a couple more gorgeous sheets from website specials. Here we have some desktop Valentine specials. They're ready to ship, and it's a desktop computer. So I want to add some of that to my cart. And again, that is going to lose 15% of my total. So that $2, let me add the Boo Valentine website special. Here we go, $2 for the sheet. It's adorable. Time I have Marcy 15 here, and I'm gonna check out. So is my total $22.54 after my discount has been applied. So I do qualify for the free kit, and it is charging me 1 cent as it needs to be in my cart right there. Lovely. Okay, that's a lot of kits for $22. So the shipping is usually around $4.50, but you're just gonna click how you would like to pay. You can pay with Amazon Pay, PayPal, Google Pay, Facebook Pay, Shop Pay. You have many choices. Or send me a message at my Instagram. It can be found at Marcel Hobbs or at Penned and Painted. Happy shopping, and you have a blessed day.